Given that we're likely to see entirely new service styles and challenges for next school year, we want to show you how both pizza and Asian food can work for you in your operation. Pizza and Asian foods are the #1 and #2 takeout foods for your students. And now let's see how we can bring those to life to make it work for your operation. From in-classroom feeding to satellite feeding to grab and go to some type of at-home environment, to-go packaging is critical to help communicate quality, taste, and make sure that students feel like the food they're eating is the quality that you are serving. So let's talk about pizza first. Standard 16-inch pizza box for delivery, very simple. 16-inch pizza pre-sliced, that could be delivered as is to a classroom, or we could also use one of these pizza sleeves that could hold a 16-inch pizza slice, a 4-inch, a 5-inch French bread. All could be delivered this way, so it could be executed back of house and delivered this way to a classroom or other setting that you need. Now let's talk about Asian food. Asian to-go boxes are great because they allow you to do this work back of house, delivering either 6 dumplings or fried rice in a stir-fry kit to deliver a 2-2, and those hold incredibly well. Again, very easy and very versatile. Now, if you need to have some type of bake-at-home situation or to go grab and go so the student will be heating at home, we'll take the bag that I brought from the school we were at earlier, much like you're used to, and you could take a wedge that is uncooked, unbaked, and this would be something that you can send home with a student. Also, you could send it home that way, use a pizza sleeve if you'd like, or you could take a 5-inch and do the same thing. That works, or you could also deliver this to go home with students so that they can heat themselves. We do have those available in instructions available in English and Spanish, so that is an easy way to go.